Hi everyone! Today we will be talking about designing with pastel colors. Pastels, also known as tints, are pale tones of colors made by mixing a significant amount of white into the original shade. Let's first begin changing our Brandkit colors to some beautiful pastels. In the left-hand menu, you'll see an option for Brandkit. And now that you're on this page, you can scroll down to see your brand's color palette. From here, you can delete a color by clicking this little X button, and you can also change the color by selecting it and browsing our color wheel for amazing pastels. Technically, you can make any color a pastel by adding white. The more white you add to the original shade, the paler the pastel will be. So we'll want to stay in the upper left corner of this color wheel and stay as close as we can to the white. The closer you go to the white, the paler the color will be. The farther away, the darker the color will be. And now we have a beautiful blue pastel. Let's do the same thing with our remaining colors. And there you go. Now let's move on to an artboard to work on designing our gradient backgrounds with pastels. First, let's adjust the color of our background. Again, we're going to click near the white of the color wheel to get that nice soft effect. Once you found the perfect color, go ahead and select gradients. And now you can choose from our amazing options from bold colors to something softer with a nice pastel. Beautiful. You can even adjust the color within your gradient by clicking these icons here that'll shift the tone and hue of your colors. And there you go. In just a click, you can change your color palette to reflect soft and beautiful pastels. Whether you are known for your Instagram themes, photography, designing, painting, baking, or wedding planning, pastel colors are a great way to bring gentle and soft energy. Check out our other videos to see how Simplified's design tools can help you every step of the way with your brand. See you there.